Her grandbaby, my baby, got a baby doll for Christmas. Baby doll needs a blanket. What better way to teach you your first crochet stitch than to trial run a baby doll blanket? And then when we're all said and done, you'll be able to do this. I am Megan.
I am Brenda.
And we are the Crafty Ladies. Hi everyone, I'm flying solo here today. Mom couldn't make it over. We're gonna start today by getting everything we need. I'm using a J crochet hook, also a 6mm. You need our yarn, our scissors, and a tapestry needle. If you have not checked out our yarn basics video, you can watch that here, or we'll also link it in the description. For small projects like this, I do not use the yarn threading ring. I save that for my big projects. First step we need to know for crocheting is our slip knot. I'm going to show you two ways. You try them both out. Use which one is best for you. The first slip knot, you take your string, your yarn, and you wrap it around your finger and cross it. And then you slide your crochet hook through and pick up your extra string and pull it right through, pulling your finger through. And then you will tighten it, but not too tight. As Mom always tells me, it's too tight. And then if you remove your crochet hook and pull, it comes right undone. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're always current with the latest information. Our second slip knot, you're gonna wrap the yarn around your finger twice, pull the back loop over, and repeat that, the back loop over the top, and then pull what becomes the back loop, slide your crochet hook through, and pull your finger out. And then once again, tighten down to your crochet hook. So now that we have the slip knot on the crochet hook, we're gonna start chaining, which is your first row stitch, and it's the foundation of the rest of your project. And Mom always taught me how to hold my yarn. You wrap between the ring finger and the pinky and up and around your pointer finger. And you yarn over, so you'll grab your yarn in the hook of the crochet hook and pull it through that loop made by the slip knot. And we have the first stitch. And you're going to continue doing that until we have a length that will cover the baby. There's 3. And if you think you want extra on either side of the baby, just like you want extra on the side of your person, so that you don't have to fight over the covers on your bed. And then you can count your stitches by the loops made on the edges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches there. And there's 10. And you'll continue pulling yarn out of your skein as you need it. And it just pulls through your fingers. There's 15. Starting to get some coverage over the baby. I would say we probably should go to 40, and that should give us enough space. And there's 40. So when we go to turn around and do the second row, you'll do 1 extra chain. So that will make the 41st. And then we're going to do a single crochet. So this is the extra one we made here. And we're going to come in this first chain we made. You can see it splits. You're going to take your crochet hook through that top loop. And then you're going to grab your yarn as you come back through and then pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And that's a single crochet. And then you're going to repeat that process all the way back through your chain. We have a full row of single crochet. So now that we've finished our row of single crochet, we're going to turn the corner and we're going to do a row of double crochet. So you start by chaining 2, and that will cover the edge of the blanket. So with a double, you yarn over, you pick up your yarn, and then you go through your top stitch. So you'll see there's 2 pieces of yarn that you go through, and then you pick up your yarn and pull through. And there are now 3 loops of yarn on your crochet hook. You'll pick up yarn and pull through the first 2 loops, pick up yarn again and pull through the second 2 loops. So you'll put yarn, go through the top of your stitch, pull yarn back through, grab a yarn and pull through the front 2, grab your yarn and pull through the second 2. And you'll continue doing that down the length of the row, just like you did with the single crochet. And there is your finished row of your double crochet. And we've almost got baby's feet covered. So you'll continue with whichever stitch you prefer, going up through the blanket all the way top of your baby doll. In our next video, we'll show you how to wrap this project up and how to get rid of these pesky yarn strands. In the meantime, check out our special project video on a wedding dress transformation. I think you'll really love it, and we're really excited to get it finished. If there's anything else that you would like to see, please leave it in the comments, and we'll see you in the craft aisle.